Yo guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we are cruising in Wago. We just patched up a few coolant leaks that the car was having. We had to replace a couple OEM gaskets, but this thing's purring pretty smooth right now. We're just gonna cruise over to Johnny's right now and give it a nice real coolant bleed and then see how she performs. Some of you guys ask me why that door light is on. It's because the sensor in the door is broken. It has a malfunction, I'm not sure why, so I might have to go ahead and replace that sensor, but that's why it's on. Nice little one too. This thing sounds great. Alright guys, we were doing one last little coolant bleed on this thing just to get all the air bubbles out and have this thing purring real nice and smooth. Fixed all the check engine lights and all the leaks, so yeah, this thing is a pretty clean little car right now. Huge thanks to the man Johnny. This man has been working magic. We've been out here grinding, hustling, going across the world to get parts, everything, so big shout out to the man. Straight up. Today in this video, as you can see by the title, we got a new car. And that new car is this beautiful CB9 Accord Wagon. So I've been wanting to get kind of like a boxy style Honda for a little while now. I was kind of torn between an EF chassis or a CB chassis, but you guys know me, I gotta stay true to my wagons. So we went ahead and grabbed up a CB9 wagon. Nothing too crazy going on here, you know, just the normal 31-year-old car, door dings and fender dings. What really sucks is this back glass had gotten smashed out by a previous owner. I don't really know why, but I guess they're getting a little reckless there. I already sourced another rear glass. These things are not easy to find. That's literally like the most difficult piece of glass to find on this car. But we already sourced another one, so we're gonna get that one on the way and swap that all out. But my favorite thing about the whole car is that it is 5-speed manual. We scored ourselves another manual Accord wagon. And look at that beautiful just CB dash. Wow, Honda really knew how to style some dashboards back in the day. Okay guys, we were gonna take this thing on a first little test drive. Obviously I've driven the car before, but this will be my first time driving the car with you guys in here, so let's get her started. Fired right up, very nice, very nice. Yo, this thing is so cool. It doesn't have VTEC, so it's not like super fast, of course, but this thing is freaking sweet. As you guys can see, we don't have any check engine lights. Our temperature's doing really well. Yeah, everything looks pretty nice. So when I had first gotten this thing, it had a pretty mean oil leak. The gentleman that I bought the car from before said that it was leaking oil from the oil pump seal. Once I got down in there, it was actually the balance shaft seal that was leaking. So we got the seal replaced and yeah, should be all good to go. Well guys, that's the new car that we have added to our family of cars. This thing should be a pretty fun build. I don't want to do anything too crazy. Really, I just want to refresh the car, bring it back to life, do something real simple and clean, and just have a really nice cruiser. Woo!